How to fix Instagram message notifications not showing up. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your Instagram when message notifications are not showing up. So, one of the main reasons for this problem might be your internet connection. So, if you are on your mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi, and if you are on your Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data. That way, you'll have a stable internet connection and the message notifications might show up. Now if you're still having problem, it might be that your Instagram may be bugging or it is not up to date. So to fix that, go to your Play Store or your App Store, and now in the search bar type in Instagram. Now as you can see, it currently says open, meaning my app is up to date, but if yours is not up to date, it will simply show update, and by tapping on it you can simply update your Instagram app to the latest version, and that might solve your notification problem. But if your problem is still there, what you can do to fix that is go to your settings. After that, go to apps and then locate Instagram. Now go to notifications and then make sure all of your Instagram notifications are turned on. So once you've made sure your notifications are turned on but your notifications still don't show up, what you can do as a final resort is simply go to your storage and cache and then try clearing both your cache memory as well as the entire storage of your Instagram app. And now once you've done that, simply relog into your account and your problem will surely be fixed. So that is basically how you fix Instagram message notifications not showing up. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.